Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change middle button on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Here in general management, go to mouse and trackpad. Okay guys, here in mouse and trackpad, you can see the middle button. And the middle button is set into app defined function. And okay guys, to change the middle button, you'll have to do is tap this. And the option are show. Okay, now you can set into none. Show the app screen, home, recent, back, view notification, open quick settings, or even open app. And okay guys, I decide to change into back. And okay, go back to show. Okay, we have successfully set or changed the middle button on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.